This video, we're going to be talking about how to effectively use kvCORE to scale your business. We're going to be talking about everything from lead generation to nurturing and conversion through kvCORE platform. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, Realtor with eXp Realty based in Toronto. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on new content. kvCORE is a robust real estate technology helping you put your business on autopilot. It's a 3-in-1 tool. It's your smart CRM, it's your Web IDX with your custom URL, as well as marketing for lead generation and converting online leads. Because the smart technology is super robust, it's layered, and it's complex, one of the common questions that I get asked is, how do you go about it? How do you effectively use it for your business? To get an overview of kvCORE and the smart CRM, make sure to check the card above. One of the most important things about being a real estate agent is to build a database. What I love about kvCORE is integrated from the start to finish of your client's journey. So as a real estate agent, it's super important to have smart tools like kvCORE. So when you join our brokerage, eXp Realty, you get access to your own custom URL website, what you're looking at right now. So you have the ability to customize it to fit your brand. And what's amazing about this website is integrated with your MLS system, updating in real time. This website that is powered by kvCORE is integrated with your CRM. So when you start to use your website to do promotions, you're funneling your leads directly into your CRM. And from there, you can nurture them in a number of different ways using smart campaigns and to convert them into clients. With this smart CRM, you have the ability to categorize your database in a way that you're capturing and tracking their journey. Make sure to have your behavior alerts set up so that you're nurturing your database in real time. Make sure to enable your smart campaigns to reflect the client type. For example, if they're a buyer, lease, or a seller. Keeping an organized database is actually the cornerstone to your success. Trust me, the more you know your database, the more easier to convert them. And make sure you're leveraging landing pages and squeeze pages to directly funnel new leads into your database. And as you can see, you can customize the landing page to your brand as well as add copy that reflects your personality. And you can use the squeeze pages and the landing page as a form of value to bring clients into your database. And remember, because you have a custom Web IDX that's integrated with kvCORE, you have the ability to generate leads using direct links. And what you can see here is a mass schedule email is another nurturing strategies that I use to convert my clients. And this is something that you can schedule on a regular basis so that you're automating your business. And you can create your own effective email templates using the advanced editor, which can be used on a regular basis. And you can send everything from your YouTube videos to market reports and more. And remember to leverage the paid advertising opportunities that are available directly through kvCORE for Facebook ads as well as Google pay-per-click ads. And why I love leveraging these paid advertising opportunities through kvCORE is because of the lead validation that ensures that my database is accurate at all times. And to effectively use kvCORE, keep an eye on the business analytics on a regular basis. I hope this video was helpful for you. If there's any parts of this video that you want me to dive deep into, make sure to leave it in the comment section below and I'll love to create that for you. To partner with me and to join our group at Agent Wolfpack and to change your business using kvCORE, make sure to check out the Calendly link in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, Realtor with eXp Realty. See you next time.